I remember it like it was yesterday. It haunts me. I didn't do anything wrong, really. Well, it all started on Christmas. My dad, he got me this box, and it had some gingerbread men, and they were chocolate covered. And I'm not the kind of superstitious girl that goes on believing ghosts and stuff. But this was way past ghosts and goblins. This was horrible. It cuts into me. I'm scared every night before I go to bed. After my father gave me the box with the chocolates in it, he said they're magical. Even when I got it from Costco, I laughed and said, "Nice joke." But then he said, "You will be paid a visit because of your disbelief." And I thought, since my dad is a jokester, that I thought it was funny. But now I know what he meant. Like it was yesterday, even though it was. It was horrible. There was a slap as I opened the door into my room. I noticed the box was open, and I got mad, knowing my sister had gone into my gingerbread man. Saw them. It was horrible. This is what I remember. The pain. The pain. I'm a gingerbread man. It feels good to stretch my legs. Yeah, it sure does. This is nice. Ha! You know why more of us are gone? Because she likes us better. We taste better. It's true. Yeah. I've got more white icing than you. I'm obviously better. And there's more of us because she's saving us. Yeah, right. Why would someone do that? She gave us to her father. She loves her father. But it's still better. And she doesn't even believe her father about us. She doesn't know we're real. Yeah, we're better. Yeah. Oops, let's get back in quickly. What the heck just happened? No one believed me what happened. No one. I told my mom, my dad, my sisters, my dog. But no one believed me. So I will share the news of these evil ginger men. I really do like milk chocolate more than the dark chocolate ones. I traded a milk chocolate one for a dark chocolate with my little sister because she got some too, but they didn't come alive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm getting hungry. And these are good. What the heck? I love the milk chocolate. Dark chocolates suck. I almost barked when I had one. These are better. No more little smile.